Hello everyone. Today I'm here to speak about love and compassion, two of the most important values we must practice in our lives. These simple actions can create a powerful impact, and the following points will show how they can truly make a difference when we follow them every day. Love and compassion make our world peaceful and happy. We should give love without expecting anything in return. Kindness always brings its own joy and helps us feel good inside. We must look for the good in everyone and listen with our hearts. Helping others without judging them shows true compassion. We should forgive because anger only hurts us. Being open and honest helps people feel close to us. Speak gently and use your words to comfort, not to hurt. Be generous and share what you can. Stay calm and kind even if others don't. A small act of love can change the world. When we show love and care, people trust and respect us. Love and compassion help us work well with others and guide them with kindness. These values make us strong, caring leaders who bring happiness and peace wherever we go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.